Hey everyone, this is Tim from EJECT Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 if it's broken. So most of the issues that you're going to be having to deal with you can fix in the recovery mode. So if you're not able to operate the menu right here, let's go on over to the PlayStation and we can turn it off. So by turning it off, you want to go to the power button and hold that down. So let's do that now. So here's my PlayStation 4. You can see it's turned on, indicated by like this white light. Hold down the power button. And you're going to hear one beep initially. Wait for the second beep and then you can let go. And then we'll know my PlayStation 4 is completely turned off. So this light is blinking. We are going to be turning it off and there should be no light on here anymore. Now grab your charger cable just like this and plug it in to one of the front USB slots. Plug the other end into your controller. And what we want to do is wait for this to completely turn off, so it's just about there, and then we're going to hold down this power button again. So I heard one beep initially. Now I'm going to wait for the second beep and then I'm going to let go. Now if you have a PS4 Pro, this may not make a noise, but just continue to hold it down until something happens. Now with our controller plugged in, press the PlayStation button right there and we'll be able to operate the safe mode menu. So let's go back up to my screen now and take a look at it. So here it is. I'm going to press this so I can operate it. Now I'm under here. And this is going to give us a lot of different options. So maybe our screen is not displaying and it's a black screen. Go to change resolution. A lot of times you're going to be connecting to like a TV that doesn't support whatever your PlayStation currently is set to for the resolution. So by going to changing resolution right here, well, you can change the resolution to a supported resolution. So you can actually see your screen. You have update system software. Maybe you don't have the latest version of it. You can update from USB storage, update from disk, update using internet. So that can help you out. Then we have restore default settings. Maybe your internet doesn't work all of a sudden, or you have something typed in wrong. You can restore all default settings, and that will restore the internet options as well. If you have any kind of corrupted data, your game's not working, for whatever reason, rebuild the database right here. That will typically fix that issue. Then we have initialize PS4 right down here. So if you are maybe having an issue with the PlayStation where it's completely not working, initialize. A factory reset your PS4 to how it originally came. And then here's the last resort. You'll have to go to PlayStation.com. and you'll have to download the system software onto a USB. So maybe everything completely crashed. You can reinstall the system software back to the PlayStation 4 and factory reset your PlayStation. Now to get out of this, all you have to do is go up to restart PS4 and then you'll be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.